She saved my shoes.
Okay, last time. Here we go. This is the third last time.
Oh no!
Oh no. You're gonna watch. Daddy. Oh, do you want? Oh, what happened? What did you do? Did you let go? Did you let go?
It's on tape, whatever it is.
Did you let go? Don't let go. Remember Grandpa said hold on?
Carrie's got, here Molly, let's look at you. You okay? Let's see your mouth.
Don't eat that.
Spit it out.
Here, spit. That's right.
And Mama's got some water over there.
I like some water, Grandma.
Okay, are you done?
Oh no.
Whoa, there you go, kids.
Be careful, Miss Addie.
They don't know what they're doing.
Addie, look at the camera, honey.
What?
Grandma's taping you.
Don't drink it. Spit it out. Spit. Spit the rocks out.
Okay, just a minute. It's on tape, whatever it is.
You okay?
Molly, look at Grandma.
You want to ride the duck? What? You want to do something else?
So give us the profile,
Your
Carrie.
nails might be blocking the lens.
No, I can.
Yeah,
Your fingers.
your big fingers.
I don't know.
Okay, give us the profile. And how far along are we?
15 weeks. This is me just totally relaxed.
Yeah, but you don't
And
ever.
this is just me.
This is with
15.
Uno.
almost 16. Oh, you find a lid, Molly? Yep, just leave it there.
Yucky.
Yucky. Okay.
Okay, you're recording. Oops, sorry, honey.